So, hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today we are here to learn about skill because you know everyone is doing great things. He has some set of skills. So, from his skill, he is able to influence people and he is impacting to the people towards their goal. So basically, everyone has their skill. Because of that skill, people pay them. So it is a very important thing. We have to learn skill, and if we are not learning, it means we are missing out lots of things. So today we are going to talk about how many skills are there and why we should learn skill, and which is high income skills and which is low income skills. So we are going to talk about 6 steps proven strategy how you are going to learn and earn money from that skill. What is the process? I'm going to talk and I'm going to give a detailed overview with you all. And make sure keep note and pen so you can write some important point, because this is not a free course, this is a paid course which I'm going to tell you and give you absolutely free. So please, I'm going to present my screen. Let's come and explore the things. So now I am on my laptop screen, and today we are going to learn how we can master any skill from zero to hero. How we can learn any skill even we don't know anything about it, and how we can make money after it. So let's talk about practical way. What is the practical ways of learning a skill? And let me tell you that please keep in mind that this is a paid course. I am just sharing with you all because I have the goal to share everything with you all, because I think I have to share. If I am learning anything, I have to share with you all. So just keep in mind, be ready with pen and paper and read everything. You are going to get a complete roadmap how you can choose a niche and how you can learn it, then experiment it, then how you are going to make portfolio, then how you are going to earn. So personal development, how to master any skill. Do you know why should I master a skill? There is one thing. Go on Google and search the top in world's top 50 people, richest people. You will get a list, then see what they are doing, it's actually. So you will see that someone is uh, doing a product based company, running a product based company, or someone is a software giving services of any software. So everyone is doing a business. It means they are doing a business, they are providing any service or any product. So but currently think about us, what we can do. Can we go and launch any product? Can we go and give any service? Why we are not able to launch product and give any service now? Because we don't have the capital to invest to manufacture any product. So what we can do, we can learn any skill, because if we are going to learn any skill, ultimately we are going to give the service. This is a game. So how to learn any skill? Why we should learn? Because we have to present ourselves, we have to give the service to others, so we can get money with my service. So high income skills versus low income skills. So let's understand about it. What is high income skills? We know about skills. Yes, skill is very important. If we are going to do anything, skill is a priceless. You are going to learn, like I have mentioned some skills are there, 10 skills I have mentioned. like content creation, content writing, copywriting, digital marketing, AI prompt engineering, communication skill, public speaking, sales and marketing, psychology, and personal development. So these are the skills which we can develop and learn. So what are the high income skills and low income skills? So see, if if your skills contributing to revenue generation, if your skill is contributing to revenue generation in company, it means you are in high income skills. You are like, if someone is in selling, it's high income skill, but most of the people hate it. They don't want to sell, but it's a high income skills. So if your skill is contributing to generate revenue in the company, absolutely, you know, if you are generating money for the company, why company will not pay you? So ask yourself, I am or not? Because when businessmen think, when he invest, it is not an investment, it's an expense. If he is investing his money in high income skills, like if a businessman invest money in Facebook ad or Google ad, why he is investing money? Businessmen are investing 1 lakh per day on Facebook and Google ad. Why? Because they know, if I am investing 1 lakh, I am going to generate 5 lakh, 10 lakh from the lead which I am going to gather, which I am going to capture. Uh, this is the type of mindset the businessmen have. So we have to ask, if I'm selecting, just go and select any niche. Which niche you like, you have to go and search on Google or Chat GPT or Gemini. You have to search and find out any skill, pick up any skill, and just pick up one skill. Because every time we are just wasting our time on the YouTube or Google. We just open a YouTube channel, and we see any attractive thumbnail, we just click and watch that video, podcast, video, any types of video, but we are not learning anything. We have to decide and uh, uh, make a list of like this, five, six points I have written there. So we are going to discuss all the points today. So what we have to do, you have to first select a skill, one skill. I have written down lots of skills: persuasion, reading people, sharing the wealth, leverage, recruiting, energy management, how to process issue, time management, how to manage energy, how to be aggressively patient, learning, coding, content writing, copywriting, art and filmmaking, sales and marketing, digital marketing, problem solving, personal brand, communication, taking risk, data analyst, side hustle, programming, project management, podcast, video editing, thumbnail designing, chatbot marketing, reel editing, content writing, content creation, sales, public speaking, all these, personal development, video editing, all these are multiple skills. What we have to do, we have to just invest some time, pick up one skill and start working on it. So what is the first thing? We have to choose one skill. Go and choose, write down 50 or 100 skills, select which is the best, which is the best suitable for me. Like I have chosen copywriting. Now I am learning copywriting. So the learning process, how the learning process work, what you have to do, you have chosen a skill. Now there are 5 points. Skill understanding, possible opportunities. If you have pick up any skill, just first search on Google or YouTube or any other platform to know what is the demand of the market, which skill I pick up. Skill understanding means, if you have chosen any skill, like you have chosen video editing, you have to, yes, absolutely, we all know that there is a craze of video editing and graphic designing, because we are living in digital era. Everyone needs, every business needs. So you have pick up a video editing. Yes, this is a high income skills or low income skills. Video editing is if you are editing a video for ad ad creator who is running ad, If you are editing video for them, then you are in high income skills. So skill understanding possible opportunity. You have to know about your skill. What are the opportunities of that skill in the market? What uh, it you can say also market demand. What is the demand of the market? Then second is affirm. You have to say yourself that yes, I pick up this skill and I am going to stick with that skill at least 8 months or 1 year. Then you are going to see the results. Affirm, yes, I have to learn it. Second, then third point, now you will choose a program. Now you have chosen a video editing or copywriting. What you have to do, you have to affirm yourself that yes, I have chosen and I'm going to work on that skill. Then third point, you have to go on Google and YouTube. Just you will search that keyword, you will find hundreds and thousands of videos to learn. You have to start from 2 to 5 hours video and just select one particular time, which time I'm going to watch that videos every day. 2 2 hours. Third point, you have to choose video, website, book, course, seminar. 12 to 20 hours need to give it. We have to give that skill 20 hours because there is a also video on just TEDx. I watched that video. There was a person who committed that you can learn any skill in 20 hours. There is a video on TEDx, you can go and watch after that. So fourth, what you have to do, make the learning process. We have to make a learning process of 14 days. Set timing and start learning about that skill. 14 days. Then fifth, divide into 14 days, plan to learn in 28 hours. You are going to give it 28 hours, you are going to give that skill. If you decide to give every day 2 hours, then evolve, keep evolving yourself. Keep evolving means keep learning and keep practicing. Then second steps comes. What is the second step? Second step, we have to understand the input and output. What do you think? If I am learning any book, I read a one page of the book, I understood, but it's now completed, it's fine for me. I read that book. This is the first step of learning. It means input. We take input, it means we learn anything, but the process is uncompleted now. There is a second step which is output. If you learn anything, it should be reflect in you and you have to implement it, then share to the people. If you are going to do it, you are going to do amazing. Then third point, which is research. Go and see what others think and try to build like this or better than this. What we have to do, like you have chosen video editing or copywriting, content writing, you have to just start visiting on Google different websites. There are lots of websites. You can visit Forbes, Times of India. There are multiple news channel website and blogging website. We have to visit. We have to read every day 2 articles. We have to see how people are writing and how I can write better. We have to research about it. You have to find out uh, 5 or 10 people, they are good in writing, in blogging. We have to read them, we have to replicate them, how they are doing. Then fourth step comes, build your portfolio. 30 days to create it. We have to build portfolio. How we can build portfolio? People are saying build your portfolio. if we have chosen any skill like copywriting, I have chosen copywriting, what we have to do, we have to take the landing pages. If I am watching any ad, just I click on that ad and land on the landing page, then read. You have the whole page to read. And after reading, we have to evolve ourselves. Why this person written like this? Why they didn't written on this banner? Why they are doing like this? We have to think about it. Why it should be written like this? Why not like this? This is the fourth. We can so what we have to do, we have to collect from the landing pages, then we have to build our portfolio in Google Drive, then our portfolio is ready. Fifth point is start making money. Yes, now we have built our portfolio, then we have to start messaging to the people. We can get we can message from Instagram or LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebook. There are lots of platforms. Then freelance website, Upwork, Fiverr, freelance. I created just profile, but I am not working on it. Reaching out to the people with solution. This is the third point, which is very important, which is the effective way. Reaching out to the people with solutions. Tell problems or pain points, then pitch solutions to them. You need observation. If we are going to do it, what we need observation, passion, knowledge, experience and mindset. There is a one thing, call to action. Someone is, if you find it useful, reply with a thumbs up. This is the call to action, which is yes, very interesting, because he is not saying anything, but he is saying everything. 6. Do not sell yourself early. Do not sell yourself early. What is the mean of this? This is the mean that most of the people think, if I learn anything and I am in initial level, why I am going to work for the 2000, 5000, 10,000? I'm not going to work. But do not sell yourself early. We have to work for free. We can also work for free. Work for free. Work to learn, not for earn, for money. We can work for learning, work to improve yourself, work to build business. Learning in the present and earning in the past. In the future, we heard about it lots of time. So follow these steps to go to the top of our field. These are the 6 steps, which is very important. And anyone can follow these steps and start, because I am following it, and I am going to see the results in within me. So thank you, follow these steps. So thank you for today, and keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thanks for today, and this was the points which I shared with you all, and I think this video will be helpful for you all. So thank you for today, and we will meet in next video.